What is a motherboard?
The motherboard is the main circuit board in a computer, acting as its central hub. It connects all essential components, including the CPU, memory, storage devices, and peripherals. Without the motherboard, these parts could not communicate with each other. It also distributes power, coordinates data flow, and determines what devices can be used with your system.
Key functions of a motherboard.
Motherboards handle several core tasks. They provide pathways for data exchange between the CPU, RAM, and storage. They manage input and output connections for devices like keyboards, mice, and monitors. Motherboards also supply power to various components and control settings such as boot order and hardware configurations through the BIOS or UEFI firmware.
CPU socket and chipset.
The CPU socket holds the central processing unit, the brain of the computer. The chipset, another crucial part, manages communication between the CPU, memory, and expansion cards. The type of CPU you can install and the features available to your computer depend greatly on the motherboard's socket and chipset.
RAM slots and expansion slots.
M slots allow you to install memory modules which temporarily store data for quick access by the CPU. Expansion slots, such as PCI Express (PCIe), let you add graphics cards, sound cards, or other upgrades. The number and type of these slots on a motherboard influence how much you can expand and customize your computer.
Storage and peripheral connections.
The motherboards include connectors for storage devices like hard drives and solid-state drives. The most common connector is SATA, while newer systems may use N.2 or NVMe for faster storage. USB ports, audio jacks, and network ports are also part of the motherboard, enabling you to connect external devices, speakers, and the internet.
Power delivery and BIOS UEFI.
A motherboard's power connectors distribute electricity to the CPU, memory, and other components. The BIOS or UEFI is built into the motherboard and controls the system's basic settings and startup process. Through these, you can configure hardware behavior, update firmware, and troubleshoot issues before the main operating system loads.